Hello, my name is Tudor from Prokuria, and in this short video I will show you how easy it is to run a reverse auction through Prokuria. This is the account dashboard, and we need to go to Events, followed by Add Event, Reverse Auction, and here we need to select the project. Now that we are good to go, we can begin by filling out the requested information. First of all, we have to fill out the name of the auction, followed by a short description. Also here, we have the option to upload documents for our suppliers to access. Moving on to the settings section, we must fill out a start and an end date. After that, we have the cooldown period, which is expressed in minutes and represents the period of time before an auction ends. Whenever a bid changes the first rank during this period, the end time is then reset to the number of minutes of the cooldown period, and this continues until no bid that changes the first rank is placed in the cooldown period. I will showcase this feature shortly. Next, we have the option to enable suppliers to bid at each item level or for the total amount. We will go with the each item level option. Next, we have the show best bids to suppliers option, and this enables suppliers to see what the best bid currently is. However, they will not know which supplier submitted it, they will only know the value. Next, we have show rank to suppliers, and this enables the suppliers to see their ranking, and whenever a bid is placed that changes their ranking, this information will be displayed. Following that, we have starting price, and starting price is the maximum amount per item that the buyer will be able to accept. If the buyer provides a starting price, the supplier will not be able to submit a higher bid than the one you've set. You can also choose the currency in which you want the suppliers to bid. For this video, we will go with euros. Moving on, we have the suppliers section, and in this section, the buyer can manually add the suppliers, like I'm currently doing right now. Moving on, we have the items section, and here the buyer can easily add the items one by one. These are the items for which we want to receive the bids from our suppliers. Very important to mention here that the buyers can customize the template of the items section with their own columns. Now that we've completed all the information, we can simply publish the event, and I will show you the invitation email that suppliers receive once the event is published. This is the invitation email. If we select the view event option, we will be redirected to a secure response page, and after agreeing to the terms and conditions, we will be redirected to the auction response page. Okay, let's click on participate, and we can see here that the auction will start in about 20 seconds, and after that we will be able to submit our bids. We can submit our bids either manually or via import, but I will do this manually. At the moment, I am ranked second in the auction, and we are already in the cooldown period, the last 5 minutes. I will now show you the cooldown period by submitting a bid which will make me be ranked first. So now that I've submitted my best bid, which will make me be ranked first, you can see that the cooldown period has been resetted to the 5 minutes. Now let me show you what happens after an auction ends. After we click compare responses, in the items section right here, you can see the supplier's best bids, and you can choose the best offers by simply clicking on them like that. Also from here, you can send emails to the suppliers, and you can close the event or export the bids to Excel. In the real-time bids section, the buyer can see all the bids submitted by the supplier and at what time for auditing purposes. This has been a short overview of how an auction works in Prokuria. Have a good day. Goodbye.